What's going on, guys? This is Tyler from Built. We're coming to you today with a how-to video for our how-to series of various things. And today we are on my buddy Randy's Super Airnet Cheap G23. And we are doing a detail on this and reapplying a ceramic coating before the summer season. So I'm going around the boat right now doing defect removal, and I found some really deep scratches that they wanted me to see what I could do about here. So I've been sanding and sanding and sanding with 1000 grit, and I don't want to take any more gel coat off, and those scratches are really deep on there. So I'm going to show you guys how to fill and kind of level these kind of scratches. So I've already sanded with 1000 grit and make sure it's really clean. And now I have loaded up some clear coat. This is a fast drying 2-part clear coat that we use for like automotive repair and stuff. I'm gonna go draw on all these scratches. For starters, try and push it down in that scratch. We're gonna level the top level of clear coat out, and the idea is that it'll stay in the scratches. Now that we have those, I'm gonna take my squeegee and I'm gonna come in and push it all in the cracks as much as I can. We're doing a couple things here. We're leveling it, and we're also pushing it down in the crack. Alrighty guys, now that the clear coat's cured, we're gonna come in and block sand it again with 1000 just to level it out here. Wet sand. Alright, we have 1000 grit Trizact on a DA, and we're gonna come smooth this all out here. So. Alrighty guys, so we got this all sanded down, we got it level. You can see our scratches are non-existent already. We've sanded it up to a 3000 grit, and we are going to polish it out with a heavy compounding polish that is designed for gel coat. So we're spreading this polish around so we don't sling it everywhere. That should have done its job in removing the sand scratches. As we can see, got a perfect finish there. The scratches are completely removed. Also works on automotive paint, but it works really well on gel coat because it's so thick. You can sand a lot and we like it thick. Like Tony. You guys going on the beach?
Go to Showtime's YouTube channel and follow @Tony's Tool Tours. That should be your
Morning,
Instagram.
guys. Just trying to